Hello, my name is Colin Campbell. I'm a longtime professor at Cornell University in Ithaca, New York, and I'd like to speak to you about a new book that's been released and translated into Russian called The Future of Nutrition. This is actually the third book on my topic, namely, it's about the science of nutrition and what it does for human health. This started with this book in 2005, which actually been translated into 50 foreign languages around the world. It sold well more than 3 million copies. That was followed up in 2013 with the book Whole, again an international bestseller that basically explains about this concept that I have about nutrition. And now, of course, the new book in 2020. And what I've learned during this course of these three books, and especially in this last one to tell this, is that nutrition is not what we think it is. I started out my career from a dairy farm, milking cows. Came away to school, was trained in graduate school, and did my dissertation on the promotion of consuming more animal protein, which I thought was the best kind of nutrient there is. Come to learn early in my research career, starting in the Philippines, actually working with malnourished children, that protein is not what I thought it was. It's not the best. And so with a lot of students, a big research program, lots of publications, I actually learned that protein is a problem. Animal protein is a problem. It increases the rate of cancer. It increases heart disease. It increases a lot of diseases that we tend to refer to as Western diseases, all coming from the idea that historically we have always believed that animal protein is so important. So this has been a tough story to sell to myself as well as to others. How come we always thought that we had to have all the protein we could consume? We don't. Plant protein is plenty. This book here tells basically the history of this field in the area of protein nutrition and the impact it has had on our thinking, especially in Western countries in the world. We have some problems. What I'm trying to explain in this book here is to talk a little bit about the history of this field. How did we get into this position of now knowing something we didn't know before? Certainly for me, coming from the farm, I could not believe what I learned. But I published extensively with lots of students, and it's a very exciting story, especially the history that started in the 1800s and worked on until today. So I want to thank, again, my Russian publisher who's translated the book, and I do wish that the book has something interesting for you as a reader. Thank you.